Hello everyone, I am Joe Marieri. Today I will perform on how proper way on installing a driver in a PC or in a desktop. So first, search control panel, and then click hardware and sound, and device and printers. Click device manager, and then as you can see, we have an audio inputs, 3 batteries, Bluetooth, filter stock, disk drives, display adapters, DVD, etc. So in audio, uh, so as you can see, we have in headphone. So that's what I use. So we can see an update, disable and uninstall devices, scan for hardware changes, and Bluetooth. Right click, so you can see an update, disable and install. Computer also, update driver, and monitor. So if you want to update it, then so that's how it is on how a proper way installing a driver in a PC or in a desktop.